Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort to tour the Walt Disney Suite. It has club level access and it looks amazing.
The whole room is themed after Walt Disney, of course. It is the second largest suite here at the Grand Floridian, and it's on the fourth floor of the main building, so super convenient to get down to the club level lounge.
Let's go check it out.
When you first come in, of course it's Walt's Suite. We've got to have Walt right here at the door. Him and Mickey. They have so many pictures of Walt throughout this room. Things from the archives, things from the Imagineering collection. It is an amazing room with lots of little bits of Disney history around and just beautiful furniture and decor everywhere. Of course, we have those umbrellas by the door if you need those heading out. There are two bedrooms in here, and we'll get to those in just a minute, but we'll start here in the main living room area. We've got a beautiful cabinet over here with some art up there, and up above it, from the archives, we have some memorabilia from the Carrollwood Pacific Railroad that Walt had in his backyard. Of course, there's lots of Carrollwood Pacific memorabilia over at Boulder Ridge at Wilderness Lodge in the Carrollwood Pacific room. That's a great little piece on the wall there. Small dining room table here for the 4 people that be staying in the room. And we have a Nespresso machine here for our coffee. And they also have the milk frother as well, not just the machine for the coffee. And then you have tea and a little kettle there. You get a small sink, and you do have a mini fridge down here. And you can see there is a freezer compartment on the mini fridge. Into the living room, we have lots of seating in here. Beautiful living room with some artwork on the walls. Of course, more stuff from the archives, and then also some things from the Imagineering concept art. We've got a desk over here with a phone, little place to work in the corner. And then on the opposite wall, we have some more artwork as well as a television, but you wouldn't know the TV is there until you turn it on. So you've got to grab the remote and hit the TV button. And that is how you get your TV in this room. How cool is that? I now need a television hiding behind artwork in my home. That is just so cool. We do have a balcony over here on the living room. We can go right out these sliding doors to the balcony. And you can see we've got a lot of space out here. It does wrap around. There's a couple chairs. And this goes over to the other bedrooms. So we have one bedroom over here on the other side of those chairs. And the other one is right over here on the other side. So you can see this goes to the main bedroom, and then the other door goes to the secondary bedroom. We'll go see both of those now. So we're going to go over to the secondary bedroom first. It's over here on the right. We do have an extra bathroom here right before you get to the bedroom. Just a toilet and a vanity in here. There is no shower or tub in here, but we do have an en-suite bathroom in both of the bedrooms. And we have a great piece of art here on the wall as well. That's some concept art for Main Street USA in Disneyland. Here in the secondary bedroom, we've got some Imagineering concept art from Animal Kingdom back in 1997. Over here on the right, we have a closet that does have some of those plush robes that you can wear, because when you're staying here, you're fancy. And then we have a safe and hair dryer, some slippers, monogram with the Grand Floridian logo, of course. And they do have some extra pillows and blankets up there as well. And here in the bathroom in this room, we've got the toilet over there in the corner, a double vanity in the bathroom. We do have a lot of little toiletries here. Everything from mouthwash to a vanity kit, of course shampoo, conditioner, body wash, that kind of thing. And we have a tub and shower over on the other side. Of course, they have that detachable shower head as well as the rainfall style shower head in there. And then into the bedroom, this is really interesting because this room has 2 twin beds instead of having a queen or a king size bed. So you have 2 twin beds over here, one of the few rooms on property that has twin size beds. Got some more artwork on the wall there from Animal Kingdom with the Imagineering concept art. They do have some USB outlets and wall outlets right there on the nightstand in between the beds. And then over on the dresser, they also have some USB and wall outlets, but you don't see them right away because they are embedded down in the top of the dresser. You have to push that to get them to come up. Of course, you do have a TV on the wall as well. And then right over there is that door that we saw from the outside into the bedroom. And you do have a better view from this room than the other room because right here you can actually see fireworks at night. Can't quite see the castle because it's kind of straight ahead of us right now, but you do have a great fireworks view from this particular room. And now we'll head over to the main bedroom. Of course, as we're coming into the main bedroom, the first thing we see is a bunch of great photos of Walt through the years, all the way back in 1926 right there, drawing Mickey Mouse. We've got him and his family from the 30s. Of course, a bunch of other photos from him through the years. Over on the right, we actually have a walk-in closet in here. You can see there is plenty of space to unpack. We've got more of those robes and those embroidered slippers with the Grand Floridian logo on them. Another safe here in the room, but lots and lots of space for getting ready and putting things away here in this room. If you want space to spread out and be comfortable, this is one way to do it. We have another small desk here in this room, just right there as you come in, and then we have a very, very large main bathroom. You can see we've got a double vanity with lots and lots of counter space here. Again, all those different toiletries over there in the corner. And then we have a huge jacuzzi tub right over here. It has a lot of space and several jets on it. Gigantic tub with some really pretty artwork up above. And then over here, we have one more room where you have your toilet and then a massive walk-in shower. Of course, they got the same detachable shower head and rainfall style shower head, but a really big walk-in shower over there. Also, how cool are these light switches? They're all labeled so you know what they are, and you just tap them to turn things on and off. And then in the master bedroom, we once again have that dresser that has those USB and wall outlets embedded in it. Big TV there on the wall. And we have a king-size bed in here, of course, with a bench at the end of the bed there, and then a nightstand on either side. More of those USB and wall outlets on the nightstand. And this really awesome alarm clock radio. Didn't even know we still had alarm clocks. Thought everyone used their cell phone, but it actually has really great sound and hooks up to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can use that to play music here in the room. And then we do have a door on the far side that goes back out to that same balcony that we saw a little bit earlier. So this room overall is huge, especially for just 4 people. But if you're looking for a place at the Grand Floridian to spread out a little bit and have a little bit of extra luxury, the Walt Suite is amazing. And that is going to conclude our tour of the Walt Disney Suite here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour as much as we did. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment what you liked most about the room.
And you can check out our channel for tons of other room tours around the Walt Disney World Resort, other Disney resorts around the world, and even Disney Cruise Line. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.